Oh, hello, stained glass people. My apologies, I'm a little stuffy today. I had one of those nasty head colds. Uh, I'll be alright. I think I'll survive. But I have a question. I want to do a product review. And one that I thought of doing was the Hakko FX888DX-010BY. That's a mouthful, huh? Uh, Digital soldering station with rotary encoder. Now, I believe this is going to be a DC heat generated iron. Basically, it's using AC current from the wall and converts it to DC, which is going to heat your iron up. And I'm really reserved about it. Not just the price. I mean, it's very expensive, but the feasibility of using it for stained glass, being that the tips are very small. It shows the T18 soldering tips for this Hakko iron, the FX888, and it appears that for the most part they're smaller, but these look like they might be a little bit wider for stained glass, but for the most part they come with smaller tips. It may be sufficient for decorative soldering. Again, I'm bouncing back to that price. The price of this iron, which is quite expensive. $121. So if you want me to do a product review, I will. I'll step up. I'll get the iron. I could always sell it or give it away. But honestly, I don't have much hope for it because of the limitations. With the tip size and the cord length, which can hinder your ability to reach across a large window. It may work, but it seems like a clumsy thing to be sitting on top of the bench top or near your stained glass. I have an open mind, so we're going to go ahead and get this iron for you and do a review. So stay tuned. If you have any other suggestions for other product reviews, hit me up with the comments below. Or if you have this iron, let me know. Let me know what you think of it, and if I should even bother with this review. I want to do it because it's something that intrigued me for some time now. It's just that the price is a little. It's up to 120. You can get a Weller iron for 60-watt Weller iron for under $30. That works really good. I did a product review on them. You can check it out on my channel. And I'd rather have 4 of them than 1 of these. But in any event, this may be a good iron for very light decorative soldering. It may be a great iron. I don't know. But I plan on doing a review. Stay tuned, and we'll let you know as soon as that's up. Subscribe to the channel, and you'll get the first news when it does. Thanks for watching.